Nor is my voice, but, you know, here we are. All right, write the expression as one involving only sine theta and cosine theta.
Okay.
12
Okay.
sine of 2 theta
Can be done.
plus cosine of 2 theta.
Wait a minute.
And no, it's not done like that. Yes, I realize it's sine and cosine, but it says sine of theta and cosine of theta, not of 2 theta. So how do I rewrite?
So it's gonna be.
Okay. You can rewrite.
How do I rewrite sine of 2 theta?
2
Two
sine
sine
theta
cosine.
times cosine theta.
2 sine, cosine.
Okay. And how do I rewrite cosine of 2 theta?
Which one should we
Cosine.
Wait,
Let's
should we do
One
the?
wait.
1 minus 2 sine squared.
No.
No.
2 cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta.
Sure, doesn't matter.
Oh.
Ah.
I should know.
I had to ponder deep and hard about that.
Deep in your heart about your.
Pick your favorite. It does not matter.
None of them are my favorite. Okay.
All right. Use half-angle identities to find an exact value without a calculator.
Okay.
Oh wait, we're done.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh.
what?
I thought
That's it?
we had
That's
to
too
use
easy.
other
No.
identities to do other things.
You said we only done 3 problems?
What's the next lesson?
Oh,
Huh?
so we just
What's
had
the
to
next
make it.
lesson?
Alright, what's 32?
Okay, so
I just
Is
said
it
use half-angle identities to find the exact value without a calculator.
This
Wait,
is too
okay.
easy.
So what we had to don't speak that into existence. So
I was
what
like,
we
be
had to
careful what
do
you wish for.
Is just get the two.
Just
in
rewrite
front of
them.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
It's always when it's super easy. That's always when you
Don't
get
jinx
hard.
it, please. Please don't jinx it.
But it's true.
I'm so upset because my mom said if we won this weekend and got to go to Richmond, that this weekend we would have well, if we won yesterday, we would have gotten cheesecake.
There was literally a cheesecake factory where we went to eat last night.
You're
It's like my
serious?
favorite restaurant.
Like literally, like looked across the parking lot when we were driving out, and there was a cheesecake factory.
That's not very
I don't think that they knew it was there because I didn't know when we went in. I didn't know till we left.
Why are you not working?
I think you should.
So.
I think so. I was like,
Do they
Don't
only
I
make
deserve it, mother?
cheesecakes at Cheesecake Factory?
No, they-
Be like incentive for me to finish my paper.
yeah.
Rude.
No, well, no, they don't. But all I go there for is the mac and cheese bites and cheesecake. I just get appetizers.
Okay,
The
maybe
avocado rolls are good. Okay,
I want free
Cheesecake.
time.
sorry.
Let's do this.
Considering there's 10 minutes left.
I get lost.
Oh, because we spent so much
All right.
time.
So let
Oh, bad guys.
u over 2 be equal to 195 degrees. So what would u have to be equal to?
Oh my goodness. You would have to be equal to theta.
What?
Wait.
290.
Oh. Oh,
Okay,
wait.
u over 2 is equal to 195. So u is equal to basic algebra, people.
390.
Math is hard.
390. Okay. Okay. Now I need an angle that I know off the unit circle. So what should I do?
360 plus 30.
Oh,
Okay. Minus 360.
First thing that came to mind. Sorry, guys.
I'm dying.
Not real.
All right, so tangent of u over 2 is equal to what?
tangent, okay.
30 degrees.
Formula.
30.
It's not saying 30.
1 minus cosine over sine.
Okay. So 1 minus cosine 30 over sine of 30 is equal to 1 minus, what's the cosine of 30?
Cosine would be root 3 over 2.
Root 3 over 2, all over. Sine of 30 is?
1/2.
So then get a common denominator here. So I'm going to have 2 minus the square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which would be 2 minus the square root of 3 over 2 times 2. So 2 minus the square root of 3.
Okay.
They do more with the double angles of like verifying stuff or like rewriting, whereas like half we're actually solving. So that's why I'm doing the half ones.
Okay,
for solving.
so when we get there, we just subtract any known angle from it, really?
Well, so when you double it, if it's not something that you know, or if it's bigger than 360, you're going to have to subtract off 360.
Oh, okay.
But they should be known after that.
Okay.
All right, one more.
Did you see the picture? Mine wasn't
Sine of 5 pi over 12. So we let u over 2 be equal to 5 pi over 12. So what is u?
right. And pi over 12.
Which is?
Oh, do you want degrees?
No, I want it reduced.
Oh. That'd be 5 pi over 6.
Yes.
Oh my God,
So then the sine of u over 2 is equal to what? Don't tell me 5 pi over 6.
I'm not gonna tell you 5 pi over 6. Is plus or minus square root 1 minus cosine theta over 2.
So the plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of 5 pi over 6 over 2, which is plus or minus the square root of 1, what's the cosine of 5 pi over 6?
Negative square root of 3 over 2.
So that's going to become minus a negative, so plus square root of 3 over 2 over 2. Then what?
Common denominator.
I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 2, and I'll show you why. Because now I multiply 2 times 1, which is 2. 2 times root 3 over 2 is root 3 over 4.
Oh my gosh, wait a minute.
So now, remember the rules of radicals, I can split top and bottom. So I now have plus or minus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 over 2. Now, if you did it the other way, you get a common denominator on top, and then, the whole, multiply, blah, 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 keep, change, flip, all that fun stuff. It would work, too, but this just saves you a step. Okay. So.
That was it.
11, 31, 33, and 35. And you don't have to do them right now because tomorrow I'm going to do the notes for the next section, but not actually do the section until we come back. Well, probably do the notes, and then you'll have time after that to work on it.